and documentary.
Hello, and welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best of the world's natural wonders. Today, we're taking a trip to Switzerland, where we'll be exploring the country's breathtaking natural beauty. From its soaring peaks to its crystal clear lakes, Switzerland is truly a nature lover's paradise. Let's start with the mountains. Switzerland is home to some of the highest peaks in Europe, including the famous Matterhorn. This iconic peak rises to a height of over 14,000 feet and is one of the most photographed mountains in the world. But the Matterhorn is just one of many stunning mountains in Switzerland. The Swiss Alps cover more than 60% of the country, and they offer some of the best hiking and skiing in the world. The views from the top of these mountains are truly awe-inspiring. You can see for miles in every direction, taking in the rolling green hills, deep valleys, and glittering lakes below. And if you're lucky, you might even catch a glimpse of some of the local wildlife. Switzerland is home to a wide variety of animals, including ibex, chamois, and marmots. But Switzerland's natural beauty isn't just limited to its mountains. The country is also home to some of the most stunning lakes in the world. Lake Geneva is one of the largest lakes in Europe. And it offers spectacular views of the surrounding Alps. The lake is also home to a number of charming towns and villages, each with its own unique character and history. Another must-see lake in Switzerland is Lake Lucerne. This beautiful lake is surrounded by snow-capped mountains, and its crystal clear waters reflect the stunning scenery around it. The lake is also home to a number of historic landmarks, including the famous Chapel Bridge, which dates back to the 14th century. If you're looking for a more rugged natural experience, then you can't miss Switzerland's stunning national parks. The Swiss National Park is the oldest national park in the Alps, and it offers visitors the chance to explore some of the most pristine wilderness in Europe. The park is home to a wide variety of flora and fauna, including rare species like the alpine ibex and the golden eagle. Another popular national park in Switzerland is the Jungfrau-Aletsch-Bietschhorn. Bietschhorn UNESCO World Heritage Site. This stunning area is home to some of the most dramatic mountain landscapes in the world, including the famous Aletsch Glacier. The park is also home to a number of charming villages, each with its own unique character and history. But Switzerland's natural beauty isn't just limited to its mountains, lakes, and national parks. The country is also home to some of the most stunning waterfalls in the world. The Rhine Falls is one of the most famous waterfalls in Switzerland. And it offers visitors the chance to witness the power of nature up close. The falls are over 150 feet wide and 75 feet tall, and they are truly a sight to behold. Another must-see waterfall in Switzerland is the Stabasch Falls. This stunning waterfall is over 900 feet tall, making it one of the highest free-falling waterfalls in Europe. The falls are located in the picturesque town of Lauterbrunnen, which is also known for its charming chalets and stunning mountain views. Switzerland is truly a nature lover's paradise. With its stunning mountains, crystal clear lakes, pristine national parks, and powerful waterfalls. Whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, or just some time away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, Switzerland has something to offer everyone. So why not plan your next vacation to this beautiful country and experience its natural wonders for yourself? We hope you've enjoyed. Please subscribe our channel for more videos.